Hi, I got the fellow's plan open in that same area you were asking about. And the thing I've noticed is that I'm going to take this and shift select those two windows. And you go to the options tab, he's got them recessed. Now, with a brick wall, that is a brick wall, commonly you would recess it, but I've noticed in Chief, if you unrecess it, it smooths it out. Now, why, I don't know. I'm not a programmer. Same thing on the doors. They look crappy currently. I'm going to go over here and to the options tab and uncheck recessed. And you see that the whole thing smooths out. Let me change to vector view. It's even cleaner. Yeah. Whoops, I want to rotate. There we go. Now it's still kind of crappy looking on the inside, but this is a problem that's been in Chief since I've been using it, since version 4. The door is square. The arch top went arch topped, but the doors are still square, and it shows in a vector view. It doesn't show so pronouncedly in, we change the camera type to a standard. Or we could change it to PVR. It doesn't really, without adjusting the light. Well, it looks okay. Going to say without adjusting the lights. There's no lights in this plan currently, but it looks pretty smooth right now, and the brick looks like brick. It's just the doors are square, and when you recess them, open the dialog box and put them back the way they were when I received the file. And the squareness starts to show up again like it was originally. There's something you can do about it. It may not be politically correct, but it does work, and I like things that work. I'm going to open the dialog box on the windows, go to the options tab and recess them. I would just unrecess them if I get a better visual product. You know, put it back, shift select, options tab, unrecessed, doors. Hello, come on computer, hurry up. Got work to do here. All right, we open those in options tab, unrecessed, nice and smooth. Bingo. That's what I can tell you. Why that's that way, you'd have to ask Dermot. I like to fix things and then move on. You know, if they're supposed to be recessed, I would just put some text on there saying that they're recessed to the framing or yada yada, whatever it was. Okay, thanks for watching. I'm done. Have a great weekend.